front of me is Google Pixel 8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Security and Privacy. Following that, tap on Device Unlock. Click on Face and Fingerprint Unlock and enter your current login method. Now click on Face Unlock section. Read all of the disclaimers, hit More at the bottom right corner, and finally select I agree. When you're ready, select Start, also at the bottom right corner. Remember to keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions. Now select Done. Adjust all of those options however you want to, and when you're ready, click on Home button. So finally, when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!